As a content creator, are you faced with the challenge of experiencing bad audio in your videos as a result of background noises from generator sounds, passing by motorbikes and cars? Are you faced with such challenge? What if I tell you that there is a free AI tool that can instantly remove those background noises and transform your low quality audio such like this? So guys, this is how my background sounds whenever I'm filming a video. A car is just passing by. To a professional studio quality sound just like this. So guys, this is how my background sounds whenever I'm filming a video. A car is just passing by. Isn't this interesting? Mind you, you do not need any microphone to record your videos. Neither is this process I'm about to share with you complicated. It is simple and seamless and is totally free of charge, though it has a premium price. Once you are done editing the particular video you want to enhance the audio on any of the editing platform, be it CapCut or InShot, you go ahead and export it. You have it already on your device. So guys, once I've exported the video, you head over to this website. This AIT is a website. I usually access it through this website. So head over here and you can see this is the interface. I'll be telling you guys the name of this website in a minute. So you tap on new project, tap on that, and then you wait for it to process. So once we tapped on new project, you can see it brought out this interface and you can see it wrote upload over here. You tap on upload. So we're going to upload our exported video. The video we exported from InShot, that's the video you want to enhance. So we are entering into our device media to look for that particular video. So I'm going to upload the video which you exported from InShot. Just locate it on your device. So this is the particular video here. I'll tap on it. I wait for it to get uploaded to this website. So you can see it's currently uploading. I'll just have to wait for some minutes for it to upload. As you can see, it has uploaded and this app have first of all converted our video to an audio. So for us to then download this audio process, the audio we want to work on, you tap on this download option here. It brings us to this very aspect. So you can see audio edits your project. You can see mp3. mp3 means audio, so yes, we want it in mp3, which is audio. So you tap on this small icon and it will prepare to download into your device. Once we are done with this, we'll now go to where we are going to enhance this audio. Yes, where we are going to enhance audio quality. So what we have to do is that just go back, tap on this small arrow, go back, then go to home, this very option here, tap on it. So at this very interface, so you have to tap on this tools area, the small icon under tools, and you see where it wrote enhance speech. So you tap on that. It's brought out this option that is here. So you can see there are so many options here, but just go ahead to this choose file so that you're going to upload that audio that you have extracted from our video. Hope you get me. So I'll tap on it. So it's currently uploading that audio. So let's wait for it to upload. So guys, our audio is now ready, as you can see over here. So it's already enhanced. The speech of this audio is already enhanced. You can go ahead and listen to it. So guys, this is how my background sounds. So guys, you can see that the audio sound right now is different from what it was originally. So let's download it so that it will be saved into our phone, our device. So you tap on download. It's downloaded into our device and you can go ahead and like rename it so that you can easily find it, get it. So you can go ahead and rename it. I'll just tap on rename over here. If at this point you haven't liked this video or subscribed, I do not know what you're waiting for. Please like this video so that YouTube will push it out more. And so let's come back to our tutorial. So since we have downloaded the audio into our device, the enhanced audio into our device, what we have to do is that we have to go back to our editing app, be it CapCut or InShot, and then still locate that video we were editing. So this is the video over here that we are editing that we left behind. So what you have to do right now is for you to mute the sound of this video, because as you can see, it's playing and the sound is being heard. So we have to like mute it so that the sound or the volume will not be heard. So I'll go ahead and do that. So I've set it to 0. So I'll apply it to all the clips in this video. So if like your video has a whole lot of clips, mute all the clips. So you can see when I play it, there is no sound that is being heard in all the clip. Can you get me? So once we are done muting the audio, what we have to do then is to import in our enhanced audio. So you tap on audio over here, and then you see music over here. You have to locate it from your device. You know how to upload a music, right? So make sure that this particular audio that you just imported in is on the same line with the video so that it will flow very well. I don't know, like it's like to flow. Oh, once you are done checking everything, you go ahead and play it out. This is how my background sounds whenever I'm it's flowing. It's flowed very well because the audio and the video are equal. Like I place them equally. So guys, this is how you can enhance the audio in your video without using any microphone, without you doing any extra thing. Just this simple step, your video will sound professional, to look as if you are using a microphone or whatsoever. So tell me in the comment section, was this video helpful? Consider giving it a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.